Good morning, legends. Today I'd just like to talk about a piece of sewer drain that we removed from a customer's property last week. As you can see here, this is a old piece of sewer. It's an old earthenware, big clay material. So basically this is what they used to use instead of your old PVC. Basically our customer had some gurgling issues in his house, and when he went outside to the side of his property, he found that his sewer was overflowing on the side of his house, spilling out onto the concrete, making a bloody wretched mess. So anyways, what we've decided to do is we thought, mate, well, there's probably some issues going on in your drain, so we're going to put our machine down your drain and check it out. We tried machining it. Unfortunately, we couldn't quite get through it. It seemed like it was pretty severe. So we decided to camera it and see what was going on. And this is what we found. So as you can see here, that the roots have sort of grown all around the pipe. They've grown all the way in it and completely blocked it. So this was the 27A connection that was in ground about 3.5 meters underneath the ground, or about 2.5 to 3 meters underneath the ground. So we had to dig up and replace that. So how are you going to be able to find this? How are you going to be able to locate this? And how do we even know that it's there? Great questions, guys. Well, come this way and I'll show you how we find this stuff. Now, this is the best in the business. Now, if you're going to be the best in the business, you got to have the tools that are best in the business. Ridgid, they are the absolute #1 in drain cleaning, drain CCTV locating equipment. This is the Sea Snake. This is an absolute weapon in the sewer industry. It provides CCTV. It's got a self-leveling head. This little doodad right here, it's got a self-leveling head. You've got little lights and LED lights on there. Provides pretty much a 4K image of inside your drain. So we can do recordings, we can locate it, we can see the damage that might be inside the drain, potential blockages, things like that. So really handy piece of equipment. Now this monitor here, so this is pretty much the brains of the outfit. So this will tell you, this will show you on the monitor here what's going on. So you can see there, it's a nice little 5.5 inch LCD screen. You've got, it's really easy to use. You've got your USB ports and stuff in the front there, so we can record all your footage of your drains, and then we can send it straight to you. So we all know what's going on. We've got a nice little easy to use button pad on here. Ridgid are really good with this sort of stuff, making sure that it's easy to use, it's durable, reliable. That's why they're the best in the business. And then, how are we going to find it, you reckon? Well, great question. Come over here to your locator. This is it. So we turn our son on, we put the camera down the drain, we're walking across the yard, we don't know where it is. Well, this bad girl, she's going to tell us exactly where it is. It'll give us approximate depths, it'll give us a location, and then we'll be able to give you a location of where your drain is, where the issue is, and then we can quote on how it can be repaired. So guys, this is why we can find the issues in your drains. When you want to be the best in the business, you got to use the best stuff. So when you've got sewer issues and you need them repaired, or you don't know what to do, call us today. ProRec.